Hello BASD families, and welcome to your school's open house. I'm Dr. Renato Lajara, Superintendent of the Bethlehem Area School District, and I'm so excited to welcome you to a new school year. This is a great opportunity to walk through your school, meet your child's teachers, connect with other families, and get a feel for the year ahead. Our teachers and staff have been working hard to prepare for your arrival, and I know that they're excited to welcome students and families back into our buildings. There's something special about the energy in our schools at the start of the new year, and open house is really about that excitement. For those of you that haven't had the opportunity to meet yet, I look forward to meeting you and learning more about your school community. I believe our schools are strongest when we work together. Students, families, educators, and our community. As we begin this school year, I also want to remind you about an important conversation taking place across BASD, our district design process. We are looking ahead and having important conversations about the future of our schools and how we can best serve our students and families. As we move through this process, we are committed to being thoughtful, positive, transparent, and most importantly, we want you to be part of the conversation. We will soon be reopening our district design survey to make sure we have as much input from our school community as possible. Please keep an eye out for an email from the district with the survey link, and I encourage every family member to take a few minutes to share their thoughts. But for now, let's celebrate the start of a new school year. Thank you for being here. Thank you for partnering with our schools, and thank you for being part of the BASD community. Enjoy your open house, enjoy meeting your teachers, and have a wonderful school year. Welcome back, and we're so glad you're here.